What's up, everyone? I'm Bill with Cali Moto TV. We're here at Cali Track Days at Buttonwillow, California. We're on the MT-09 in Dax. He just fixed up the suspension, so we've got the suspension dialed in a little bit better. So let's go ahead and test this suspension and see how we're gonna do. We're in the B- group, so we're gonna do a little patrolling, see how we do out there. It's hot today, it's 100 and some change right now, 104 it's gonna be up to. So I'm a little hot right now, so sorry guys. But what a great day. We just came in off the R9T Racer and it was a blast. It was an absolute blast. We're gonna head out on the MT-09, the trusty MT-09. Woo! I forgot what happened to this thing. Woo, MT-09, what's up? Just the power. All right, so keep over to the right, keep over to the right, keep over to the right. No apexing turn one. I hear people back there. All right, and we're blending in. Welcome to the B- group, guys. Cali Track Days. So Dax with sport bike suspension tuning has just reset up the suspension. And Bogda's talking about getting full suspension put on this thing. So we talked about some K-Tech cartridges and K-Tech shocks. So that might be something that we're going to be doing to the MT-09 in the future. But for now, suspension feels good. I'm kind of relearning this thing because I didn't ride it at Thunder Hill last time very much because I wasn't really digging the suspension. So now we're a little better on the suspension. So I don't mind it. I think I'm a little low. Yeah, I should have been in third gear right there. So the R9T Racer is still standard shift. We're still working on the shifter on the R9T. But this thing is, everything else is our GP shift. So shifting's been challenging to say the least because I'm going back and forth. And I'm literally having to think of how I'm doing my shifting. And that's because on the R9T Racer, I literally have to think of the quick shifting or the shifting. So I'm going, all right, I want to shift down. I got to go up, I got to go down. I want to shift down, I want to go up, I want to go down. It's just, I got to get that thing on a GP shift. Now the boys at motorcycle.com, they've got a rapid tuner and quick shifter on their test bike. So they said it can go GP shift. So that might be something we do to the R9T. See if I can sneak around this guy on the outside. He should get in. All right, so I'm gonna go out and in, sets me up for the outside. Nice pace today in the B- group. So let's see if we can slingshot out of this thing. And open track we go. All right, guys. 99 degrees outside right now. Woo! God, this thing is so flippin' loud. I hope you guys can hear. Oh, that was bad. I didn't get broken time, but it set me up for a good inside. Able to cut through. So yeah, so we're looking to do a little suspension on the MT-09. Let's see if we can hit this wheelie hump. I have to say, I've got this undergarment on here. So we had Cali track days undergarment pants and tops, and it's 100 degrees right now, and I can feel the wind blowing through the suit. And my undergarment is actually it's acting as a cooling. It's quite a weird feeling, because I feel like an air conditioner on there. So I really don't feel that hot right now. It's actually quite nice. Now in Dixon, you know, it's 100 degrees through the summer, so I kind of get a little used to the heat. But man, I'll say, whoo. We got Juan behind me on his V4, and I did exactly what I shouldn't be doing. See, now I'm all backwards. I just thought right then, I was like, I need to upshift, and I went to upshift and I downshifted. GP problems. See, I'm so screwed up right now. I'm so backwards. So I really love the GP because it's senseless, you know. You want to downshift, you just pull it up. The upshifts, you know, when you're down the straights, you just bop, 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 bop. It's real nice, especially on the BMW. When you're nice and hunched over. Woohoo! When you're nice and hunched over, it's nice because you get a nice quick bap, bap. Where on this it really doesn't matter, but it's got to be everything across the board. And right now the R9T is the only thing that does not have the quick shifter, so gotta get the quick shifter on it. right, so we're gonna get one more lap out of this one. Let's get past him real quick. And this will be our final lap for me. I'm hot. This is back-to-back sessions. So I want to get in and get hydrated. And we have a BMW S1000 video. I haven't been on the 15. Stay tuned because I'll be talking about the 15 and the 2020. So stay tuned for that. And per your guys' requests, I will be back on the R3. The tiny but fierce. I will be back on the tiny but fierce bike, so stay tuned. But for now, we've got the MT-09. It's running great. I hope Agna likes the suspension, but I think it feels better. It's not moving quite as much. So crashy, crashy, crashy. All right, so go ahead and hop in the truck, and then they'll get you loaded up, okay? Yep, pushy. All right, guys. So we got the full recovery. So now we just got to get back on track. Wait a minute, this is an MT-09. Quick shifter. So the video started on the MT-09, and mid-track I'm on a RC 390. So 2 crashes today, both right in front of me. Jesus. So Chris stopped, and I ended up being, the MT-09 was in a kind of a bad spot. So I told him to bring in the MT-09 and I'll grab his. Me and Chris are working together today. So Chris was the one that stopped for the crash right here earlier. And so we're gonna get off track. And that's our session. Look at that, guys. Not bad. Quickly cleared. The truck is already on their way in. The guys seem fine. A little pride, I think. It's about all that was the problem. But let's give Chris back his bike. Thank you, Chris.
It's like a mini bike on you.
Fat man in a little coat. Thank you, Chris. Looks like we're crash pickup today, huh?
Yep.
Well, you know, it happens. It happens. There's nothing we can do about it. But so guys, stay upright, stay upright, stay upright. So we've got one down. We've got one down. We got 2 more bikes, well 3, but I can't take out the Z125 here. Someday we'll get that out on track. But MT-09, thank you, trusty MT-09. You felt good today. Trusty MT-09. All right, guys, so we'll see you next video. Thanks for staying tuned, and thanks for hitting that subscribe button. It's important. Of course, thanks for smashing that like button, and leave me a comment. Do you have some questions about anything in our collection? Shoot me a comment down below. But until next video, we'll see you then, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.